Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can actually mix your lead vocals to sound amazing and to sound beautiful in 2026. So let's just go right into our DAW, and trust me, you can use whatever DAW you have. You don't have to use FL Studio, but for me, I just love FL Studio. So I'm just going to turn off the effects I have on the vocal because this is a vocal sample. I'm not really doing much, and this is what the vocals without the effect sounds like.
Slow wine, baby, don't rush, baby, go easy. Ooh, take it slow, go easy.
Yeah, so I'm just going to turn on all the effects so you can hear what we are trying to achieve in this mix. So I'm just going to turn on all the effects. Just let us turn on everything.
Slow wine, baby, don't rush, baby, go easy. Ooh, take it slow, go easy. Give me love, don't hold back, give me love, don't shake it, give me love, make your shit, give me love, give me love, give me love.
Yeah, sounds nice. Sounds, good for what I wanted to sound like. But you can actually just use this. You can see I brought out the live of this vocal. So the first thing I'm having on my vocal is the NS1. So most times I advise people it's always good to try to record clean. But sometimes you don't have an option to record clean. There'll still be that noise there. So in that case, you can use your NS1, which is a noise suppressor from Waves. It's amazing. You just take out the noise of your recording, giving you a better and cleaner recording. So I'm dragging this slider up to like 40, 41, and it just does the job. So this one you just have to do it to your taste, but I would not advise you to take it to 100 because once you get to 100, it starts affecting the higher end of the vocal, making it sound kind of filtered, right? So let me just show you what I mean.
Slow wine, slow wine,
So you can see how bright it is here.
slow wine,
If I take it all the way up,
slow wine.
that's taking away that high end. So yeah, let's just leave it at the 40 range. Yeah, then the next thing is, you cannot mix your vocal without having an auto-tune present. So I bring in the auto-tune. I'm using the auto-tune artist. Yeah, very nice one. And just got the key to be B major. And basically all I'm doing is just increasing the return speed. So with the return speed all the way up, you get that effect you want. But I'll not advise you to take it all the way up. Most of this is once you're doing it, once you have a clean vocal recording, you just do little stuff and the output just sounds amazing. So I'm just going to increase it to around return speed to around 10, and it's doing the job well. You can hear it.
Slow wine, baby, don't rush, baby, go easy.
Nice, doing the job. Then the next thing I'm having is my Fab Filter Pro Q, and for this I'm just doing some low cut. So it's good most times to just do a lot of the taking away. So that's why I can say I'm using the noise suppressor, doing takeaway, using the subtractive EQ to do some takeaways. Also just taking some low end. So this is what we're taking out. Yeah, then also on this 262 hertz, I'm just doing a little cut, just minus 1.38 dB.
Slow wine.
So it's good you can just listen to what that frequency it sounds like. Yeah, you can hear that moodiness there. Let's see this also. Yeah, so just doing a little bit of cuts.
Baby, don't rush, baby, go easy.
You can spend a lot of time going in, doing a lot of cuts, but for me, less is more, less is more.
Slow wine.
So you can see the beauty of the vocal is kind of coming up. Then next I'm using this Big Dutch Vig vocal from Waves, right? And this is doing a lot of work. Let me just turn it on. You're going to hear what it sounds like.
Slow wine. Baby, don't rush, baby.
Yeah, so just adding some nice presence to the vocal. So the only thing I did on this is just to increase the presence. Increase the presence at 2 plus 2.3 and added some nice air, 2.8. So like I said, without this, sounds like this.
Slow wine. Baby, don't rush, baby.
Nice, nice.
Slow wine. Baby, don't rush.
So with all those ones, without it.
Slow wine, slow wine, slow wine, slow wine. Baby, don't rush, baby, go easy.
Nice. Then the next thing I'm having is Lander Vox chain, and I'm gonna do a proper video. I'm just gonna use this plugin Lander to give you a nice mix. But yeah, I'm just using this Lander Vox chain, and what this does, this section is your EQ section. This section is also your compression. I'm just gonna turn that on so you can see what it's doing.
Slow wine.
Yeah, so I've added a lot of air to the vocal, do some low cut also, but more air to it, so you can even hear the presence, the air, the airness in the vocal.
Slow wine, baby don't rush, baby go easy.
Yeah, then with the compression I'm just doing, and I love this because you are seeing exactly what you're doing, right?
Slow wine, baby don't rush, baby.
Then you can try to add some saturation to your vocal also, and the more saturation you add, you see the, you know, it lights up there. So we have this
Slow wine,
but you can hear the distortion in the vocal now. So you just use it to
slow
twist.
wine, baby don't rush, baby go easy.
Yeah, so and you know, with all this now, you can hear how the S's is now popping out. The S's are now in your face. So you know, the next thing is to use your DSR to just try to tame those S's.
Slow wine,
Yeah, so you can see this slowly.
slow wine, baby don't rush, baby go.
Yeah, so you can see it has tamed those S's. It's now subtle. It's not in your face, like poking in your ear, and that's what I want. So we have this.
Slow wine,
So far, without all this, we have this.
slow wine,
With this,
slow wine, baby don't rush, baby go easy.
easy, that easy. You can see how we just cut down the S's. Then we have added on that compressor, this CLA, just to kind of tame everything. And with this, I'm not trying to go too much, just a little. -3 is okay.
Slow wine,
So I'm not even getting to that point.
slow wine, baby don't rush, baby go easy.
Just a little, just to tame everything, just to balance the whole dynamics. So it's sounding all leveled.
Slow wine, baby don't rush, baby go easy.
And most times it's good to mix with your beat play, so you see how everything sounds in context. So let's play with the beats.
Slow wine, baby don't rush, baby don't hold back, give me love. Don't shake it, give me love. Make your shit, see me love. Give me love, give me love. Don't hold back, give me love. Don't rush it, give me love.
Nice, I love this. I love this sound. Sounds superb. Sounds amazing. Right, then I'm just gonna mute it again. So let's go to this part.
Give me love, give me love.
Then the next I'm just adding this exciter from waves. That's like the final thing I'm using on my vocal ball. So you can see I'm not really doing much, and you have a nice output. So with this, it's just giving it more presence, right? More presence, and let's just listen to that in context.
Give me love, give me love. Don't hold back, give me love.
So without it,
Don't shake it, give me love. Make your shit, see me love.
beautiful.
Give me love,
Just giving the vocal some excitement, giving the vocal more presence. So before,
give me love, give me love.
after.
Don't hold back, give me love. Don't shake it, give me love. Make your shit, see.
Nice, and I love that. I love that. So far, so good. You have a nice mix. Then next thing, you can just give it some sense, some reverb, some delays, and you have a nice mix. Add my reverb on my insert. So, and for that, I'm just gonna use this reverb called Poplet. And if you like this reverb, you can actually get it in the Patreon. The link is gonna be in the description of this video. Just be on the Patreon, and a lot of amazing stuff are on the Patreon. So this reverb is there. So I'm just gonna increase.
Don't shake it, give me love. Make your shit, see me love. Give me love, give me love. See me.
Let's do it with the beat.
Don't shake it, give me love, give me love. Don't hold back, give me love. Don't shake it, give me love. Make your shit, see me love. Give me love, give me love. Don't hold back, give me love. Don't rush it, give me love. Oh.
Then maybe let's do some delay sends. I think I've saved my delay send. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this. And with this, I change to this track, and let's reset this so we can have like a delay, control the delay with this.
Give me love, give me love. Don't hold back, give me love. Don't shake it, give me love. Make your shit, see me love. Give me love, give me love. Don't.
Yeah, so it's kind of a ping pong. So let's hear it.
Slow wine, baby don't rush, baby go easy. Ooh, take it slow, go easy. Give me love, don't hold back, give me love. Don't shake it, give me love. Make your shit, see me love. Give me love, don't hold back, give me love. Don't rush it, give me love. Oh.
Yep, so you can hear how easy it is, or how you can see how simple it is to mix your vocal to sound amazing. I love this. Yep, and so guys, I hope you got something from this, and if you love this vocal chain, I'm gonna drop it in the Patreon, so you could actually just try it on your own mixes, but just make sure you have Waves plugin. You also have Lander, Vox chain, and yeah, the pop plates also. So yep guys, I hope you got something from this, and trust me guys, I'll try to put more videos out there, but you definitely want to try out this mix template for yourself. And for me, it has worked on a couple of vocals. I've tried it and it's amazing. So if you got something from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so you definitely get notified when next I post. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.